All right, guys, it's about that time. We're gonna be doing another lot walk. Let's get started. All right, guys, we're gonna walk around this car lot, check out some of the new cars that we just picked up, and keep y'all informed. We just updated our website today with about 16 new cars. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every day. We're gonna go ahead and knock this out. Show y'all some of the new inventory. What I like to do, go to maplemotors.com. Every Monday, y'all check out the new cars. We'll do the walk around video showing them off. Then we're gonna do a test drive throughout the week, showing you how they run and drive and what they need. I got individual walk around videos of all the cars. That way you know exactly what they need before you come and get them or get them shipped. We offer shipping, we offer financing. It's all on maplemotors.com. So go there, look at the 3 companies you can get financed through. You can get quotes through my shipping company, exactly how much it'd be to your front door. And yeah, like I said, this is a routine, guys. Every week I'll run this lot, show you the new stuff. We are a family business, been here 38 years. And this is all we've ever sold. Classic American muscle cars. And just to let you know, we don't sell perfect cars. We sell affordable classics. We're gonna get started here. I'm gonna call out the year of every car that I pass, to the best of my knowledge. And if you wanna see what's under the hood, look at my individual videos. Look at the detailed pictures. I got 100 detailed pictures on maplemotors.com of every car here. Let's get started. Right up here in the front, I got a 65 GTO clone. This is a clone car. It's convertible, $29,900. I have done a test drive on this one, and it's ready to go, so go check that out. Right next to that, a 1971 Monte Carlo. This is a big block car for $21,900. You got to get some of the Mopars in here. This is a 1970 Duster with a 3-speed. It's $19,900. We got a real 400 car. This is a Plymouth Roadrunner, $23,900. It's a 73 model. Good looking car. I'll have that test drive up today for sure. I've already drove it. This thing drives sweet. Right next to that, I got a 70 model Corvette with a 440 under the hood. It's $29,900. Right next to that, I got a 69 model GTX with a 440 in it. It's $31,900. We got an open parking spot. I need to pull something up here. And guys, that's 38 years old. We haven't paid the lot in that long. It's about time though. We're talking about it here soon. We've been getting to some points where we get down to like 10, 15 cars by the end of the week. It was like, man, that'd be easy to pay the lot, get down that low. Right up here in the front, a 66 Chevy 2 Nova, $27,900. It's got a 327 under the hood. It was a good test drive video. This one right here is a 67 Nova with a roll bar, $25,900. I've already got this one sold. It was a really good car. 79 model Trans Am, $19,900. But right next to that, I got the Camaro version, 79 model Z28, $17,900. And then right over across from this Camaro, we'll come back to it, we got another 79 Trans Am that needs paint for $12,900. We knocked it down quite a bit to give you room to do some work to it. Make it however you want. It's not $19,900, it's $12,900. 72 Camaro sitting here, Willwood brakes, 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around. You got to check the video out on this one. The motor's all nice and clean. The interior's been redone. This is a nice car for $23,900. Right next to that, I've already sold this 92 Camaro. Lucky 21-year-old picked it up for $12,900. We got a Corvette sitting here for $11,900. I'm gonna have to look on the sheet, guys. This is 77 model. I didn't know this one. I believe this is a 54 model pickup truck. $29,900 on this one. Call this some Big Bird. These guys are goofy over here. Got y'all on camera. I'm just playing. I got a 1930 Model A sitting here for $25,900. It's got an aluminum headed 350 with two 4-barrel carburetors. Just wondering if you can even guess this. What's under that car cover? We're not even gonna sell the car. That's why I have it covered up. What do you think that is? I'll let you know if you're right. If you can guess the year. I gave it away. I gave it away. Who exposed this rear end? Who in the world exposed this rear end? Which one of you guys? I've already sold the Chevelle. It's got a 68 Chevelle SS convertible. Real SS, $39,900 is what we got out of it. Most of the stuff in here is actually sold except for the 55 Bel Air. $69,900 is what it's gonna bring. It was the full power option of the year. You get, I mean, every option there was, it has. And I do have test drive and walk around videos of this one. We sold the Chevelle back here in the corner. We do have the Fox Body Mustang available, but for some reason, he don't want to put it on the website. He uses this as a storage. So y'all get to see it every month, but I believe it's like 30 grand. But it's a very low mile car. And you got the little bug in here for $14,900. I got a lot out here I need to show you that's still available. All this stuff's sold. Let's walk out here. We'll come back around and I'll show you some of the personal rides out there. I can't show you what Jeff's working on. He might get mad at me. Nope. Got a Riviera sitting over here. I have no clue what the year is, but it's $15,900. He might get mad. I gotta show you the hood instead. This is a 72 model. That looks pretty good. That's not bad. Oh, we're gonna go back here. Oh no. We've seen the new wheel. That car's not gonna be on the update. Don't worry. Don't try to call on that one. That one that they're working on back here. That was for a customer anyways. 68 model C10, $17,900. Big block. This one's already sold. 70 model C10, $17,900. We got that out of it. 1955 Cameo pickup. This one's got a fiberglass bed on it. It's one of a kind, or not one of a kind. They only made how many?
I don't know how many they made, but it's Cameo only.
Yeah, it's Cameo only. I mean, there's not that many out there. It's $34,900. It's almost like it's one of a kind because we've only had one, period, in the history of Maple Motors. Tell me that ain't wild. Keep on running down the C10 row here. We got this one for $16,900. It's a 65 model. And right next to that, old Patty Cake's truck for 1972 C20 long bed. It's also got the 402 big block in it. It's $14,900. Coming on around here. I believe this one's gonna hit the website. I'm not sure what the price is gonna be. We'll have all the information up on the website Monday. Let's open the hood, see what's under it. If I can. Where is it? Where did it go? Oh, it's all the way down here. Sorry guys, I'm throwing y'all around. Man, it looks pretty good up under here. I'm liking it. I like the way that one looks. I don't think that's gonna last too long. Be looking for that on the website. And it is a 4-speed car. Set of bucket seats in here. Looking pretty good. The van's not for sale, don't call on it, but we do have a camper back there. You can check it out online. I got a 2007 model Jeep Rubicon here for $12,900. 160,000 miles, runs and drives good. Have test drives videos up of it as well. A custom pickup truck sitting here, 14,900, low miles, 50,000 miles on this one. This is a 1994 model. Right next to that, the weirdest car. I think it was a 77 Charger? Yeah, 77 Charger. When it first came in, I thought this was a Monty. But we got it for $59.50. Cheapest car on the lot here. Look how loud they got to be behind me. $59.50. It's actually got a nice interior. Let's see if I can get you a peek. Not too bad. Can't be any louder. Cut that up. 1980 model El Camino sitting over here, 11,900 on that one. Already sold the pickup truck. Got a big old sold section over here, a couple Chevelles, or one Chevelle, a Buick Skylark. They don't want to hear your compressor. We've also sold the Pro Street Chevelle. We've sold the 69 Firebird and the old Impala 21.9. Also sold the Cadillac, guys. This Cadillac's gone. I've got a whole bunch of 210s, 150s, Bel Airs in a row here. I'm getting ready to get to. I want to show those off. Okay, a 1994 Caprice wagon sitting here. Custom paint job, inside and out. Check those videos out. That was a fun test drive. $79.50, second cheapest car on the lot. How about a 1964 Impala? I know all you guys out in Cali have been waiting on this one. It's 27.9, 4-speed. I guarantee that's where this car is going. Almost every one of them that we've had has went to California. I'm sure I'll be talking to you. Just got done test driving this 1968 model Chevelle convertible. This thing is hot on the rear tires. It's got some pep to it. 28.9. All right, coming on up. We got the 55, we got a 56, and two 57s. Kind of show you a little bit about them, you know, and you can see the difference between a 55 and a 56 in the hood and the 57s in the hoods. Also, the tail lights are all different on all these. These got nice chrome bumpers on them. Every one of them's like pretty much new bumpers. I think they've replaced on all of them. So this is the 55, 31.9 on this one. And if you look at the tail lights between a 55 and a 56, look how much bigger the 56 model is. See the small ones here. Nice big ones here. You flip this right here. Boom, gas cap. know a lot of y'all know about all this, but showing some other people. This is a 56 here. Interior has been completely redone. All the bumpers and all the chrome trim all the way around the car has been replaced. Pretty nice car, 28.9 on that one. Right next to that, we got a yellow 57. Got a 4-speed under it. 25.9. Nice chrome bumpers all the way around. Set of Riddler wheels. Looks like we got matching Riddler wheels on both of these cars. But look at the taillights on this one. Totally different than that one. Or that one. So yeah, all 3 years sitting here. There's your gas cap. Pretty sweet right there, man. Coming on over to the last one. This is a 150. This one has 4-wheel disc brakes, a pretty mean shift kit, a big block, 29.9. It's gonna be an awesome test drive. We'll be doing that here this week, hopefully soon. I'm gonna fly back through the lot real quick, show off some of this stuff, tell you a little bit about the family. And we'll end this video because I can't seem to talk straight today. So go on over to maplemotors.com, check out our finance options. That way you can get approved. We got 3 companies you can pick from. Go ahead and check out the shipping. Find out how much it's going to be to ship your car. We have that available at the website. And then start watching. Every Monday, I put new cars on. I put 10 to 15 new cars on. The faster you are at calling us, instead of waiting 2 or 3 days, the better you're off. If you see something that you like on Monday and you don't call till Thursday, odds are it's gone. Like I said, we pick up 10 to 15 cars a week. We sell 50 to 60 cars a month. That's the reason I say as soon as we update and you want something, give me a call. I'll tell you everything I know about it. And then we'll put some videos out letting you know everything else. We also got Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. Ain't that right, Bernie? He controls the TikTok. He's out here bouncing around cleaning the cars. He knows a lot about them too. When you get all up close and personal with him, you start learning a lot.
The red one over there, the way it sits, I'd take 30 grand for it. Like I said, it is a real super sport. Where this one's like a club. So that's a real super sport. Now, when you can paint it, it's done. You know, I'll probably do it at least.
All right, guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. The bug's not for sale right now, so don't call on it. I don't know if it will be for sale. So there's no reason on calling on it because we're just going to tell you the same thing. Same with that Chevelle that we've been working on up here that they had the loud compressor around. I didn't want that in the video, so I unplugged it. We're all good buddies, good fans, or good friends, good family members to each other. So we cut up and laugh all the time. Try to make work interesting. I do appreciate y'all watching, and definitely go check out that website. All right, guys, I'm going home. Speaking of that, you can check out some personal rides. This one's not for sale. It's my 72 Chevelle, 454. We got Pops' 55 Bel Air. Beautiful. And then, of course, my dad's CTSV. It's cammed up, built. Nobody else drove their cars in today. They should have. That'd have been cool. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that share button. The more you share, the more my videos get out there, and I appreciate everything y'all do. And if you hit that subscribe button and notification, it'll let you know every time I post one of these. Later, guys.